Today I'm working on getting ready to put the hurricane hinge on, and I realized that the one we got is not an offset. And you're thinking, okay, so what's an offset? What the offset hinge does is, let me just show you on this one. Okay, so when this is setting right up here like this, see how that one's the same height as that one? Offset, this side will be higher up, so that whenever you close the galley, it will leave you with a gap along here, a nice gap, even gap, so that when and also follows it will allow your galley lid to follow your radius the way it's supposed to follow, although it will be kind of jack back a little bit so you can put a nice gasket under there. Otherwise, if you go with this and not an offset hinge, then when you close the lid, it'll be really tight along here, and then it'll get sloppier fit out this way. So what we're going to do to rectify that, I'm going to add a piece of 1/4 inch stock. You can see the difference here, right there in my profile. And so that gives me a 1/4 inch up. So now that when we close the lid, I'm going to have a really nice 1/4 inch thick gap along here. So I can put in a decent, one of those rubber type gaskets instead of one of those foam ones. So do yourself a favor and get you a offset hinge. Okay, so that's how that works. You can see where I've already waxed it in up there. And this gap right along here is not going to matter because it will have tacky tape on it all the way across, sealing that up. This is all covered in 2-part epoxy. But remember, this is going to fit on it right here, so it's going to be armored in epoxy, and water gets past that, it's some kind of a serious issue. Because, like I said, this is going to be sitting on there just like that. I would lay it up there, but I don't want to get epoxy on this. So we're sealed right there. You can see that. That's where that wood is going to meet up, is right there. But you can see the difference. And it's not an offset hinge. Alright, I hope this helps you. Let's see your build. Let's hear about your build. If you post a comment, I'll go on your website, or I'll go to your channel and look at your videos. So, thanks for watching.